Good morning. Welcome to InfoComm. My name is Lu. I'm the founder and the president of Luxi Electronics. Today I would like to show you our unique HDMI DIY products. You often need to pull the cable through the wall, and the big HDMI head is difficult to pull through. So what we have is we have 250 feet or 500 feet bulk wires. You pull through the wall easily. Then you open the jacket, you would see two flat ribbons inside here, the two yellow ribbons. They are color coded with the black and the white. So you match with the two wire holders, just slide them on easily. Then you do a crimp the wire holders onto the connector core. That's the second step. The third step would be you put in these beautiful gold and silver metal shells onto them. The last step would be you just snap on these ABS shells onto them. Then you can finish doing one termination in 2 minutes. Very easy. We also showed you before we have testers and extenders to go with them. You can find all the information on our website, www.Luxi Electronics, Luxi spelled as Luxi, electronics.com. Thank you.